challenge we're going to be doing today is going to be called GDB test drive. So the first thing you want to be able to do is download the file or binary file, which I already did. It's called GDB me. And then what you need to do next is basically just follow these commands, and this should get you the flag. So I'll just copy these and see what we do. So I'm going to open up my terminal, and then let's just open this up. I opened up my terminal, and as you can see here, I have the file ready, GDB me. So the first thing that it wants us to do, if we look back, is it wants us to run it as an executable or give it executable permissions. So it'll be chmod, which changes the permissions, and then +x, which is probably not the best way to do it, but we'll just do it because that's what the instructions gave us. We're going to do chmod +x GDB me. From here, if we type ls, we can see the file is now executable. So we click //GDB me. The file is executing. So I'm gonna Control Z this and stop the execution. So now we want to be able to see what are the next commands it wants us to do. So from right here, we'll go back to our Firefox thing, and it says we want to run GDB with GDB me. So we go back right here, right there. So what is GDB? GDB is basically a debugger that I usually use on Linux executables mostly. So now we're in the GDB layout, and now we have to write layout ASM. So I'm assuming it's gonna layout ASM is gonna print out all the assembly, the assembly that makes up this program. So layout ASM, and it gives us the entire assembly layout of all this. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It makes it all nice and colorful. But that's what we want to focus on. So what does it say right here on to do next? We want to break into main 999 plus 999. So we could probably take a look at it right here. Back on our iTerm. Main 999. So probably be somewhere around here is where we'll 999. All right, here 999. So when we enter the sleep function, so that's when what will happen. So we just press X. That takes us out of the layout. Oh wait, GDB me. Well, we already know the layout, so the next thing we have to go is run this break main. So we're gonna jump straight into that call. And it says breakpoint at that point. Now if we go back to the Firefox tab, we see it tells us to run it. So we're gonna run all the way until we reach there. And it stopped at the breakpoint. Now what we want to do next is basically, what does this say to do? It says jump to main 104. So we'll just copy that. And then after jumping there, we see that it gives us a flag. So it's basically just getting a understanding of what GDB does. So I guess this is your first intro to GDB, which is a debugger that a bunch of you use to disassemble Linux executables, and that's what we did right now. So if you go back to Firefox and just submit the flag, we should get the flag and GDB. And yep, that's about it. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys know something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.